Hey guys, it's Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair again, and this unit we're demonstrating is out of the Zenith console. It's from Andy in Fruita, Colorado, Fruita, I guess that's how you pronounce it, Fruita, Colorado. Out of a Zenith console, really cool looking deck, and we're just going to pop a couple tapes in and make sure it works before we send her back. Incidentally, a lot of customers have floor consoles, and needless to say, it's horribly impractical to try to ship a floor console across the country. So thankfully, most of these are pretty easily removed. Usually, it's a matter of 4 screws somewhere. You'll probably have to get inside the unit, take the back off of the back of the big unit, but then you'll generally see just a couple of plugs. They may be familiar, they may not be, but whatever is not familiar, I can figure out, and you can just unplug this thing, pull it out, and send just the 8-track portion to me. Then I can repair it and send it back, and everything's cool. So let's pop in some Anne Murray. And change tracks a few times. Okay, we're between songs here, so we'll wait as long as we have patience for. There we go. Okay.
Watching us, so let's stay for a while. And oh, stop my breathing. I wore my heart upon my sleeve. You take my dear.
Okay, now one thing about these units out of floor consoles is most of them are vertical, so we want to make sure this thing's going to work properly in a vertical position as well. So we'll just get rid of our stand here and we'll hold it vertical.
Can't believe you're lying there beside me. Easy for you to cry and die. I'm a robber, I'm into your eyes, hanging for you in a crazy salvation army. Just
that's a pretty good test. So she's working just fine. She's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. Maybe cook up a frozen pizza. You just never know what I'm going to do. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. Needless to say, if you have an 8-track player either for home or for car use, you can reach me directly at 928-533-9666. I also perform FM conversions on classic car AM radios and 8-track players. I can add Bluetooth, USB, aux input, and who knows what else I'll come up with by the time you ship your unit to me for service. Thanks so much for watching and listening. My website is in the description below, and I'll see you guys next time.